Hey guys, CNR Assembly Line Rail Fan Joe bringing you from Factoryville, Pennsylvania. Here is their Federal Sign and Signal STH-10 siren. That's right. This is their Federal Signal STH-10A. This siren was built in 1978. Sadly, it's not used anymore, or it's only used on when absolutely necessary, because this is owned by Keystone College. Once I did hear this go off for a major fire call, so that's really the only time I'll ever hear this. But unfortunately, I don't hear it anymore. It's very sad that I don't hear it anymore. Hopefully someday we'll get to hear this thing again. If Factoryville does decide to take this their siren off of the building here. This used to be the old Factoryville Fire Company. This is Keystone College's maintenance facility now. So unfortunately, the siren is no longer used, but it is still owned by Factoryville Fire Company, the siren itself. So if they do take the siren down, they're probably going to move it over to their new building, which someday we'll show you guys that. But for right now, the old STH-10 still sits here silent. Hopefully someday it'll see use again if Factoryville decides to remove it off the top of the Keystone College maintenance building here and put it back on top of their fire company. Anyway, until next time, take care, enjoy your trains, enjoy those sirens, and we'll catch you guys on the next adventure.